It is possible to make a referral to Circle's Alternative Education via the website. We use a secure server and encryption to ensure GDPR compliance. First, on the Circle's homepage, click the Referrals tab. Please note that a referral needs completing in one sitting and within 30 minutes to prevent a timeout. Then click here to complete the student referral form. It will ask you for your email, so put that in here and press Next. Then it requires you to put in the referrer information, your name, the telephone number, the email, and come up with a password that you'll easily remember. It's also possible to put in the school address here if you're making a referral from a school or institution. Clicking Next will take you through to the learner information page. All the fields are mandatory, so please fill in as much as you can. The student's name, their date of birth, their gender, their first language, if they have a disability, and the name of a parent or carer, and their home address. There is also a section where you can add additional parents or carers and the name and email for any social workers. It's also important to put in an email address for where you would like their attendance information to be sent and where you would like the invoices to be sent. Also the information of where the learner is on roll, including the school phone number. Using the drop-down menu, select the referring agency, whether this is a school, social care or a parent or carer. Scrolling down this page, you'll find the section Provisions Required. Here you can select which days the learner would like to attend which Circle site, whether it's Circle's Farm, Circle's Salon, Circle's Trade, Circle's Study, Circle's Kitchen, Circle's Sport, or whether there is no provision required that day. There is also a tick box about whether transport will be required and a proposed start date box. Then press Next. This will take you to the learner information page 2. Here, put in the percentage of their current attendance, their educational levels, and whether they'll be entered for any exams at school. Then comes a series of boxes to give us more information about the background of the student. Please fill in these boxes with as much information as possible, as it's all very helpful to get the placement off to a good start. The boxes include names and duration of schools attended over the last 3 years, a home background summary, a school background summary, and a summary of their attitude and behaviour. There's a box that asks if they have a criminal record, and a summary of their current education plan. There's also a box for their medical background. There's also a tick box to say you understand that a parent and carer consent form is required, and it can be downloaded from circlesfarm.co.uk. Next come a series of tick boxes. The first one is the student under an education, health and care plan? Tick yes or no. Is the student under the care of local authority? Yes or no. Is the student under a youth offending team order? Yes or no. Is the young person known to smoke? Yes or no. There's a section for medical issues and a box to fill in if there are any allergies that the student may have. There's a tick box to confirm that if appropriate, you'll provide a medical crisis sheet before the provision begins. There is a box to fill in if the student has any special educational needs, and one for if the student has any exam access arrangements. There's a tick box to confirm you've recorded any potential risks or triggers that may need to be considered for this young person, and if appropriate, you will provide a risk assessment via email before the provision begins. Then click Next, and this will take you to a summary page. The daily fee for this referral will be listed at the top, but please scroll down to check that all the information you have given is correct. Then head back up to the top, click the tick box to confirm that everything is in place, and press Submit. You'll then see this page to say that the referral has been sent to us, and you can click this link to return to the Circle's Alternative Education homepage.